Welcome to another episode of Creative Wednesday. As you can see from the title, this week I'll be showing you how to make a Shooky Plushie. The final product will look like this. This is really easy to make, so I'm sure all of you can make this. Alright, let's get started.
You will need light brown, dark brown, black, and white felt, threads to match, scissors, needle, pins, plush toy stuffing, a wooden chopstick, paper, and a printer. Start off by printing out the templates. You can find the link to the templates down in the description box below. Now that you have your templates, cut them out. Fold the light brown felt in half to make two pieces. Place on the circle template and pin them together. Next, fold the dark brown felt in half as well. Place the hands and legs template on top of it and pin. Place the facial features template on top of the black felt and pin. Place the small rectangular template on top of the white felt and pin. You'll need to cut all the pieces out. Remove the pins. Place the inner mouth template on top of the dark brown felt and pin. Cut it out. Remove the pin. Take a circle piece, fold and line up the slits. Pin it together. Do the same for the second piece. Fold, line up the slits and pin. You need to sew off all the slits. Here I'm using a sewing machine, but you can hand sew it if you want. Remove the pins. They will now look like this. Place the dark brown inner mouth piece onto the black outer piece and pin. Sew it together. Place on the white rectangular piece and pin. Sew as well. You have now completed the mouth. Arrange it onto the body and arrange on the remaining facial features as well. Once you're satisfied with their placement, pin them down. Sew them on permanently with your needle and black thread. Let's move on to the hands and legs. Fold, line up the slits, and pin. Repeat the steps for the remaining pieces. Sew off the slits. Remove the pins. Stack two pieces together face to face and pin. Repeat the steps for the remaining pieces. Stack and pin. Sew it all around but leave an opening at the bottom. remove the pins. Flip them inside out through the opening. Use the wooden chopstick to flip them easier. Stuff them with the plush toy stuffing. Now, stack the body together face to face. Pin. Slide the hand into one side and pin. Slide in the other hand and pin. Slide the legs onto the bottom and pin as well. You need to sew it all around but leave an opening at the top. Remove the pins. Flip it inside out. Stuff it with the plush toy stuffing. Sew close the opening. Your Shooky plushie is now completed.
I hope you enjoyed this week's episode of Creative Wednesday. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and click subscribe if you're new to my channel. Go check out all the Bt21 plushies that I've made so far. I'll put the playlist down in the description box below. You can go check it out if you haven't yet. Leave a suggestion on what I should make next. Thanks again for watching and I will see you guys next time. Bye!